Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can start color grading in DaVinci Resolve. It's super easy once you understand the basics, so let's just get started. So color grading is simply adjusting the color, contrast and also the mood of your videos, and it makes your footage look cinematic, professional and also way more polished. So you can just open DaVinci Resolve and go to the color tab at the bottom in here. So this is where all the magic happens. Don't worry, you don't need to use everything here. We'll focus only on the essential tools. So color grading uses nodes instead of layers. You can think of nodes as building blocks, so each node controls one corrections. For now, we only need two nodes, one for the color corrections and one for the creative look. So before gradings, you need to fix the basics like the exposure, white balance, and also the contrast. So here, you can see lift control the shadows, and in here, gamma controls the mid-tones, and gain controls the highlights. So you can just make your shoot look natural first, not too dark, not too bright. So if the video looks too blue or too orange, you can fix it using the temperature or the tint sliders. In here, temperature and so the tint, you can just slide to the left or right like this. Okay, thin and also temperature, just adjust it to how you prefer. So you can just match the shot to real life colors. So this tab will make your grading much easier later. So now the fun part, the creating a style, you can add another node and adjust the saturation, contrast and also color wheels to get the mood that you want. You can go warm and cinematic, cool and moody, or punchy and colorful. You can also add LUTs for an instant look. Just drag a LUT onto your creative node. So if the LUT is too strong, you can lower the key output to make it softer. So just adjust leaf, gamma, and the gain to how you prefer. Just adjust the dot in here in DaVinci Resolve to have the color that you want. So finish the grade with a small adjustment to shadow, highlight, saturation, and also color balance. The small tweaks make everything look smooth and professional. So in DaVinci Resolve, you can just use the slider in here to slide to the left or right to have the color. Okay. After you got the color that you prefer, you can just click on quick export, or you can also just go to the deliver options in here and render or export your video from here. So that's how you can start color grading in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to like, subscribe and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.